So this is Britannia, apparently tornado. It's under the wrong name for some strange reason, but the number is 722. I have found out that the class was a Britannia class, so I've no idea. Oh, listen to her fuck away. Class. Well, I'm just in tornado, but now not there. There's the class. Three. Mic one in front of Mark 2. Thank you. And on the rear is G1953. Roger Hawkins and the 1925 to 2013. Do you know what? I'm glad I caught that. Listen to that, actually. And again. She's giving it the freaking beans. She's giving it the beans. Don't know if you still see it. It's going. Still hear it.